How to make payments in Capital One mobile app. In order to make payments within Capital One app, just launch the Capital One mobile banking app and use your username and password and tap the sign in button in order to sign into your Capital One account. Once you've done that, just select the account you want to make a payment, like your credit card account or your checkings account or bill pay. Look for and select the option called Make a Payment or Pay Bills based on the options or the account type that you're using. Choose the payment method. For credit card payments, you can transfer funds from a linked Capital One checking account or an external account. For bill pay, select an existing pay or add a new one if necessary. Enter the payment details. You can make an instant payment after that, or basically you can choose a schedule for a future date after entering the payment amount. This way, you will be able to make payment in Capital One app. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.